Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and find the last shape that we drew in our pattern? When we find the last shape we drew in our pattern, we will know what yesterday was, and then we can determine what today is. Do you see it? Did you guess yellow circle? That's right, yellow circle was the last shape in our pattern. So yesterday was Monday, March 15th, 2021. So we're going to move one square over because we always go left to right, and this will be our square for today. And we're going to put our shape in there so that we know which square to come back to while we're working on our calendar. Which shape do you think is going to come next? Good guessing. Let's go back to the beginning and do our pattern together and see if we're correct. Green shamrock, yellow circle, 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 green shamrock. Thank you. Let's put our shamrock into our calendar. You can practice on your paper or you can practice in the air with your finger. Are you ready? We'll start by making a line down like this, and then we're going to make 3 heart shapes out to each side. 1, 2, and then up to the top. 1, 2, and then out to the side. And then we can color that in. It's okay if your bumps are different sizes or if your leaves don't match the other side. It's all good. Now that we've put the shape into our square for the day, let's figure out what the name of the day is. Do you remember how many days there are in a week? Let's count them and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. And if we go to our square and go up the column to the top, we'll see that it's Tuesday. And Tuesday begins with T, and T sounds like t, t, t. Can you do that? Go t, t, t. Good job. So some words that start with T are turtle, truffle, tomorrow. Those are all great words. So Tuesday starts with a capital T because it's the name of our day. Tuesday. 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 And Tuesday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Tuesday. Excellent. One more time. Tuesday. Good job. Let's put Tuesday into the sentence in our agenda. Did you bring your agenda with you today? It's okay if you don't have an agenda. You can practice on a piece of paper or you can just practice with your finger in the air while we go along. Are you ready? So we'll start by putting in the first 2 words in our sentence, and they are today is. And today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. Today. And the next word is is. Then we're going to put in Tuesday, capital Tuesday, and then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say our next word, and the next word is going to be the month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Let's say all their names. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month we're in right now? That's right. It's the third one from the top. 1, 2, 3. March. So we are in March right now, and I've put March at the top of our calendar here, and it begins with the letter M. Can you make the M sound? Good job. And some words that start with M are mighty or magnificent. So capital M because it's the name of our month, March, March. And March has 1 syllable. Will you clap it with me? March. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Excellent. Thank you. Let's put March into the sentence in our agenda. Today is Tuesday, comma. I wonder if I can fit March in there. Let's see. We'll try it out. Capital M because it's the name of our month. H. That was close. Next, we're going to put in the number. And what do you think the number is today? Do you remember what the number was yesterday? Let's look on the board and see what it was. Yesterday was the 15th. We say 15 when we're counting, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 15th. Can you say 15th? Good job. So yesterday was the 15th. What do you think today will be? What comes after 15 when we're counting? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back up to the top and count all our days and see if our answer is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did you guess 16? Let's put it into our calendar. You can practice on your calendar or in your paper, or you can just do a 16 in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So 16 has 2 digits. Starts with a 1. So we'll start up at the top and strike it down. And next is a 6. We'll start over here. We're going to kind of come down on an angle and then make a loop at the bottom. A 1 and a 6 beside each other make a 16. So when we count, we say 16, and when we put it in the calendar, we say 16th. Can you try that? 16th. Good job. So now let's count backwards before we put the number 16 into our agenda. Are you ready? 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Now let's put the number into our agenda. Today is Tuesday, March 16th. So I'm going to put a 1 and a 6. And then I'm going to put another comma, and that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is at the top of our calendar, 2021. So we will put 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. We're not going to say anything else after that word. Can you say the whole sentence with me? Today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2021. And next I'm going to make all my numbers up to the number 16 because I want to practice making my numbers all the way up to number 16 because I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at them. And you can practice your numbers too. You can do it on your paper or you can do it in the air with me as we go along. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job. Thank you for helping me with the sentence in the agenda and all of those numbers. That was a lot of hard work. Did you peek outside before we started today? What is the weather like for you where you live? Is it raining? It's not raining here. We have lots of water and lots of puddles though from the snow melting. Is it snowing where you are? No snow here. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you are today? It's a little bit cloudy here, but not totally cloudy. What about sunny? It's a little bit sunny here, but not totally sunny. So we have a partly cloudy, partly sunny day. So I'll put that up on the calendar board. And will you help me put the weather into our weather chart? So this one is raining. That's not really what we're looking for. Snowing? Nope, not snowing. Sunny? Well, it's partly sunny, but not all the way sunny. Partly sunny, partly cloudy. That's what we have. And there is already a couple tally marks in here. So how many is that? What does it mean when there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks with a line through it? When we have 4 tally marks and a line through it, it means a number. Let's count them up and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we see 4 tally marks with a line through it, that means 5. And we're going to add 1 more tally mark. So what's 5 plus 1? Let's see if our guesses are correct. You can practice on your paper or you can practice with your finger in the air and just strike it down. Are you ready? Start up at the top and strike it down. Good job. Now let's count these up and see what 5 plus 1 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. And we've had 6 partly cloudy, partly sunny days so far. Thank you for helping me with the weather. I'm going to draw a cloud into my agenda, and you can draw whatever kind of weather you are having in your agenda. So we've got a partly cloudy, partly sunny day. So we'll do my sun and a cloud. And today I'm going to write a letter to my friend. There's my piece of paper. And I'll put dear friend, DERFRIEND. And then I'm just going to draw a flower. You can put whatever you like in your letter. You can try to do a letter today. You can draw a picture, or you can write a letter with some words, whatever you feel like. And I'm going to put love, LOVE, and then my name, CELYNNE. So we always start out with a dear friend or two in their name and then a comma. And then we say love with a colon and then your name. And then this part is where you put your words or your picture. I'm going to practice printing my name at the bottom of my page, and I would like you to practice printing your name at the bottom of your page. It's very important to practice printing our names every day so we get really good at them. Don't forget to put a capital letter at the beginning of your name. Are you ready? CELYNNE. And if you don't know how to make all these letters and numbers yet, that's okay. You can start out by practicing one letter a day. The last couple of days, we've been practicing the letter C, and you can practice the letter C on your paper or in the air. You can just practice with tracing your finger in the air. Are you ready? So we start up over here, and we're going to make a curve, almost like a circle. We're just going to go all the way around and then end right about there. And that is an uppercase C. And this is a lowercase c, and it is half the size of an uppercase C. So we can start here and go all the way around and end there. Good job. If you practice making one letter every day, pretty soon you'll be able to make all of your letters and make all the words you would like. So yesterday I was feeling pretty excited because I was going to splash in the puddles, and I splashed and splashed and splashed. I got so wet. And when I came in, I took all my stuff off at the door so that I didn't track the water through the house. And then I hung them up to dry. I was being very considerate about the other people in the house to make sure that I didn't make a mess. Do you think that I'm still excited today? What do you think? Are you excited today? Is something exciting happening? Are you happy that something's going to be happening today? Or did something really special happen already? Maybe you're just in a really good mood, super happy. What about just happy? Are you happy or content? Maybe cozy, pleasant? That's a great way to feel. What about sad? Are you sad today? Did something happen to make you feel sad or cry? It's okay to have all those emotions. It's also really good to talk to your adult about them, or a friend. Even a stuffy is a really good listener. What about concerned, worried, nervous? Are you nervous today? What about angry? Are you angry today? Did something happen to make you mad? Maybe you didn't get enough sleep and you're grouchy today. I think I'm nervous today. I'm going to make my friend a letter, and I'm not sure if I will have time to get it done. So I'm just a little bit nervous. So we'll put that on the board there. And my kind thing is that I am going to write my friend a letter and mail it to her. And can you find something kind to do? You could do a letter or a drawing, and you don't have to mail it. You could just leave it on the table for your grown-up, or maybe on your sibling's bed, or you can leave it in your neighbor's mailbox, a little note to say how much you appreciate them. All of those are kind, wonderful things to do. So I hope you find something fun and exciting to do today, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.